morning YouTubers, welcome back to my channel. This is Djmahaneet. Hope you all doing well today. We are on our way from Vishwakapatnam towards Chilka Lake, which is in Orissa, and from there we'll head to Puri and Konarak Sun Temple. We're going to be staying over at Puri tonight and from there head towards Jamshedpur tomorrow. Well, the weather is bright and sunny and the time right now it's 10 a.m. in the morning. Chilka Lake is about 350 kilometers from here and we're going to drive through the lake in a ferry get across. Today is the day 2 of our northeastern fantasy. It's going to be a fascinating day today as we're going to drive towards Chilka Lake. Chilka Lake is one of the biggest lakes in India. It's a saltwater lake. Odisha overall is a very unexplored state. Lots to see, lots to explore. Do stay tuned to this Northeast Fantasy series. A lot more to come as we drive through the various northeastern states of India. North Indian common. I stopped here for breakfast. Hello everyone, right now we're at Chilka Lake. This is a massive lake. Check out the drone shots what we shot from here. Well, Chilka Lake is a water lagoon spread over the Puri, Khurda and Ganjam district of Orissa state on the east coast of India. And at the mouth of this Chilka Lake is the Daya River flowing into the Bay of Bengal. It's a saltwater lake and it's the biggest lake in India, spreading over about 64 kilometers in length and about 13-14 kilometers in width. A massive lake. Well, also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet, and do like my Facebook fan page, which is also Djmahaneet. Well, when you do a road trip, you actually explore the local cultures of all the places you go through, which you will never get when you fly to places. It's the journey which matters, and it's not the destination. That's what I believe in. Well, driving through Chilka Lake, we reached a point where there was no road and the map was showing right into the water. Then we realized we had to get across the water through a ferry, which was a total fun thing.
ಇರು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಈ ಗಾಡಿ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇವಾಗ ಇಳಿಬೇಡ.
The ferry trying to cross the river. There are about 9 vehicles on the ferry. The couple of Tata Aces and there's 2 cars, more than 15-20 bikes. Well, what a day! After all the adventures we've had, we managed to reach Puri by late evening, and boy was it a memorable day. all, that's the end of episode 2 of this Northeast Fantasy. Staying over at Puri tonight, and from tomorrow morning we're going to be heading over to Jamshedpur, and from there on towards the Himalayan mountains. Hope you're enjoying this series and you're liking all the videos. Well, if you do like the videos, hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon to get all the latest updates of all my videos. Catch you on the next one. Until then, it's ciao from me, Mahaneet.